Get all the grease off, oil off my fingers so I can use my wrenches. Okay, I have a special 12-point socket here to work on these. That's easy to do. Go down till they hit and I back up a little. Here's the fancy tool you're supposed to use to line these blocks up. So it comes off of one hole and centers off of it, and that's supposed to line everything up perfectly. Who says that hole's any good? It's a Harley. They're screwed up most of the time. So what I do is I just kind of wiggle it and I put it in between the 4 holes. So it's not just one you're relying on. You're doing all 4. Kind of do a cross pattern here as we tighten these up. You're going to do the same thing on this one. So you wiggle it around. Right in the middle. Lightly torque. Go across. Torque them. See if we can break them. These all need to be retorqued after you run the motor for a few miles. There's all the heat makes things settle. Okay, now you go ahead and turn the motor over again. Make sure everything's nice and free. Now you want to make sure the lifters are dropping back down in the hole. See how they're dropping back down? They should go right back down by gravity. If not, they're binding. Back ones are going down right now. Alright, so that's how all that's done. Now we get to go work on the cylinders and continue on with that. But first I'm going to put this breather, this switch in it before I forget it. I almost just did. Get my Teflon pipe sealant here. Make sure you get that all the thread there. Wipe it off the inside. It goes right here in this hole here. If you have your oil line fitting, you can put that in right there too, but we haven't found that just yet. It's right here someplace. This thing doesn't want to start in there either. Now, this case just doesn't like have any fittings on it, does it? We had the same problem with the breather. Down there. There it goes. Gotta get that just right. You see how close it is behind this block. See, this is a special socket that goes in there to tighten this. See how it doesn't fit? It's a neutralite socket. I don't think it'll work on this one. Nope. And this is, I think, the brake switch one. It don't fit either. Same problem size. Okay, yeah, I've had this problem before, so we're going to go fix the socket. I'm going to take a lathe and whack it off a little bit. Go make it fit. So let's go see what size we need. Idea about how much area we got between. Looks like we got about 1/8 of an inch. And it looks like we are roughly about that thickness, but obviously it doesn't fit. So I'm going to whack it down a little bit. So we're 369, 370. Let's go knock that down about 330 or 340. The lathe.